Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. And today we are going to create a new page, that is create account page. As you know that create account page is very much necessary whenever a user is creating their account, then the landing page is going to be the create account page. We need the authenticated user document reference and other user references. So we have to create a create account system for our social media application, so only the authenticated users can post or like the system. So for now we are going to add two text fields and one text. We will wrap all the things in a container, and we also will add a column in the container. As for now, we are going to adjust the height and the width of the container. As we want to give it a better look. And we will add the text fields in the column. We will change the text fields fill color, but before that we will change the axis alignments and do it in the middle. The first text field focus border color will be green success, and we will leave the border color empty. Set the fill color as the primary background, and for the second text field we will do the same. Sorry for the inconvenience. And now we are going to change the hint text to email, as the user will put their email in this box, and the next text field will be password. We will also create a confirm password text field, so the both of the passwords should be same, and will give this to some padding so it looks better, and don't collide the borders with each other. We will we will make the width of the text fields to, I think, 70% will be better. Yeah, so the password width will also be 70%, and confirm password is also 70%. Now we will add the text into the column in the container and adjust the text so it looks better. Now we will create a button. When the user has already filled their email password and confirm password field, then he or she will be able to create a account by clicking on this button. We will give it a good fill color so it looks professional. I think this will be good. We will rename the text with create account. I think the button's width should be 70% as of the email password and confirm password field. We will also modify the text in this as welcome to social media. We will also add some padding so it looks better. We will also change the font. I think I will make the alignment to the middle. We will change the font. Choosing a good font in the first page or the landing page is very much necessary so the users get attracted and it gives a good impression at the first place. Now we will wrap the whole container in another container because we are going to change the whole containers, I mean the background containers image. We will set an image so we can give it a good look. We will align the container, I mean the main container in the box, the parent container, and set it to the middle. We will upload a asset file. We have already uploaded an asset file image, and we will now change the container's color. We will fade the middle container so it look better, and for now we have completed almost. We are almost there. Our create account page is almost ready, but still now we have to give the create account button an action so it creates an account by taking all the variables from the text field. We will add a on tap action and search for create account and then select email. Also for the email field, set the text field email and the password field from variable, the text field of the password, and the next confirm password also from variable, confirm password text field, and the collection will be users collection as it is the main collection. We will turn off the navigate automatically because we will add a custom navigation to the home page. Turn off the navigate automatically button, and here we go. We are done with our create account page. You also have to enable the authentication and set the entry page, and that's all. Thanks for watching.